There's a feeling, angels moving around me. I just worship thee for all he's done for me. It's a new day. I have been born again. I've been born again. I've been born again. In his spirit and his name, I'm sanctified. Lord, I testify, he's right by my side. I believe in me, his word is so clear to me. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, all I want's $100 million and a bad bitch. Plus that paper chasing, it done turned me to a savage. Groupies in the lobby, they just trying to get established. God, I've been guilty fornicating from my status. All I wanted was $100 million and a bad bitch. Plus that paper chasing, it turned me to a savage. Groupies in the lobby, they just trying to get established. God, I've been guilty fornicating from my status. We be loving the oh yeah, they say in the new day that day that he spazzing. But when Ollie turn up and be Ollie, you can't never change that, but take back your cashes. So you could go on and make up lies, but I'm so sanctified. I don't sweat it, wipe my forehead with a handkerchief, and wash my sins in the blood of Jesus. People saying, yeah, we need another Jesus. Lames try to tell me, cut the wildin' out. But who the f*** is you reaching? Pass me 30 bottles, champagne session. That's that holy water, sanctified refreshers. God sent me a message, said I'm too aggressive. Really? Me? Too aggressive?
I can feel his blessings wash away my sins. I'm sanctified and I've been born again. Now I proclaim, hallowed be thy name.
Okay, all I want's $100 million and a bad bitch. Plus that paper chasing, it done turned me to a savage. Groupies in the lobby, they just trying to get established. God, I've been guilty fornicating from my status.
Keys to my success, I get new keys and new address. That I date don't get degrees, but they can dress. CEO's amazing, make grilled cheese for you the best. Major coke figure, I'm the fresh David Koresh. Soldiers all in cadence, new Mercedes cadet. Ballman uniform, you know down the designer vest. Double M that be the army, better yet the Navy. Baby see me in that Ray, wanna have my baby. All I wanted was $100 million in the bag. Now I want 200 in Minaj in my palace. Walking out the jeweler with no motherfucking balance. Somewhere in Jamaica, I'm still holding on my chalice. Rims on my Ferrari, my bitch said that I was childish. Till I the girl, a girl tweeted that I was stylish. When we again, she told me that was just some foul shit. I walk into the room, you can even hear all the silence.
His blessings wash away my sins.